I guess in this video lecture, I'm going to discuss about how to install PyCharm on Windows operating system. So to download the software, in Google search box, write there PyCharm. Then go on the jetprints.com site. Then after this, you can get their exe file. So let's click on this download, and there you can see this here PyCharm 2026.1 exe file is currently downloading. The total size is 867 MB. Now if I go into this command prompt, so before you are going to use their PyCharms, so in your system Python must be installed there. If I write this place Python minus minus version, so you can see on this here 3.14.3 is installed. So Python must be installed there. If I write this place Python, then you can come inside the Python console. Okay, so Python must be in your system. Then you can use their PyCharm. So now let's see the status here. You can see this will take only few second times to complete this download. See this here, this downloaded. Let's click on this show in folder. Here, PyCharm exe file. Double click on this PyCharm. And wizard that's come there. Click on next. This is destination folder. Click on next. This is for icon. This is for path. And this is for py extension. This is required, and other if you want then you can give. So this is essential, others are optional. Let's click on this next and click on install. So this here installing this PyCharm, and here currently this is extracting the files. You can see our PyCharm setup is completed. Click on finish. Thereafter click on this PyCharm 2026.1. So this is your latest release. Now let's click on I confirm, continue. This click on allow, and now here you can get this. You can create new script. Here open the project, open file. So this currently configuring the Python interpreter, so that in your system Python must be installed there. So this that's done here. So loading the, and here you can see updating a skeleton. Some process is going on because this you are using first tabs. Now let's click on this new project. Python project name is good. Python version exe file that's taken there at this location, and thereafter simply need to click on this create. So this for AI. Now here you can see this is the default code is there. Let's click on this green button to run the code. So now hi PyCharm that's displaying. Let's do some modification. To save and click on this run again. So here you can see hi PyCharm dot that's displaying. So this is how we can do the installation of PyCharm in Windows. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now this video is over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.